This is the growing compost bin. This is the 43 gallon. It comes with assembly instructions, which I kind of ignored, and it was still easy to put together. It took me about 40 minutes to put this together, and I did it inside, so it is small enough. It is small enough that it will fit through a standard door. And as you can see, it rotates, and it does come with these gloves. So if you want to, these are like mole gloves, I don't know, for digging. And you can use those to stick your hand inside the bin to stir the compost, or just toss it around like that. There are 2 compartments. These doors obviously come completely off. I'm just going to put that on the ground because I'm using one hand. And there are 2 sides. So when you put this together, the easiest way to do it is to turn it, like you'll have it vertically. So this is on the bottom, and then I would suggest that you put this door on first, like put this panel on. It's 6 panels. Put this panel on first, and then it just kind of interlocks. So each panel has a curved side and a straight side. And if you start with this and just do the screws on the bottom, then you can work your way around. Only do the screws on the bottom to begin with, and then you will insert this middle section, which locks in on the inside. And then you can tighten the screws here on there, and then put the top section on to enclose everything. So it was very easy to put together. The bolts are included, like they're built into the pieces, so you don't have to worry about nuts and bolts and that kind of thing. And they did send extra parts, so if you do lose anything, there'll be extra nuts that you can use. But this was, I'm very excited to use this. And as you see on the inside, there are little knobs that will, it's like blades that will toss everything as you turn it. So if you're going to get into composting, you just come out and give this a rotate. You know, like you put all the compost in, you can have 2 kind of aged compost sections working. This can be the stuff that's really maturing, and then you can open this and start a new batch. And I'm very excited to get back into composting because I think it's a good way to use up your kitchen scraps and all the leaves in your yard.